How's everyone today? Just wanted to come on here really quick and show you guys how to use these little metal pieces to make yourself a nice little bungee cord for your journals. I had sent a couple of these pieces to a friend of mine, Jen, so wanted to show everyone how to use these. They're really nice to have around, especially if you're doing little journals like this, even bigger ones. So basically you just get your choice of whatever cord you're going to use. These are the pieces that I purchased on Amazon. I'll make sure to leave a link below. You just take the cord that you want to attach to it. I've done one side already. Of course, yours aren't going to be as complicated as mine. I braided mine, wanted to be fancy. And you're going to take your little piece, making sure that the end that you put into it is the one that you're going to crimp down. So that is the one that's going to be on the very far end, and then your cord will come down, and I'll show you how it kind of pops up once you attach it. So just making sure that you fold it over. You want to have a really nice clamp on it, and see how my cord is going over to my left. That's the side that's going to be sticking out and attached on the other end. So we're just going to take our little crimpers, our little pliers. These are my jewelry pliers. You're going to make sure that both sides are going to be crimped down on top of your cord. And it'll take you a few times to get this right. I went through a couple of these before I finally got the hang of it, but no big deal. And in the package it comes, quite a few, so learning process, learning curve. Make sure you do the other side as well. Crimp it on there really tight so that the cord doesn't come out. And you see how the cord comes down. You're going to cut off the excess. So now we've got both sides done. Then you would want to put it into the journal. You could put it into the spine, kind of like I'm about to do. Make sure your hole is big enough, and then you'll just feed those both through the hole. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Any questions, let me know.